Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable double tap to turn off the screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our settings application on our phone, and after we have our settings application open, we can go to the advanced features. Okay, you can scroll down to find it, this one. Click on this advanced features, and here we have to select motions and gestures. Alright, and if we want to activate double tap to turn off the screen, we just need to click on this toggle button like this. And here you can also activate your double tap to turn on the screen if it's available on your phone. And I'm just going to activate it as well. Okay, and now the double tap to turn off the screen feature has been activated. And if you want to turn off your screen, you don't need to press the power button. You just need to double tap on any empty area of your home screen to turn off your screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable double tap to turn off the screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.